Hi everyone, I'm Christa, teacher of crystal healing classes as well as holistic healer. And welcome to my video talking about the healing benefits of peach selenite. So I would love to show you the piece of peach selenite that I have. All right, so I just have a little stone here. But peach selenite is so beautiful. As you can see, it has a really nice, gentle, soft orange color. So very, very beautiful. It has a little bit of a sheen to it as well, but it has such a beautiful, sweet energy, just such beautiful, beautiful energy. So this makes a wonderful addition to your crystal collection. If you don't have it already, you can find it in shops online or also in-person shops as well. It is more common to find this stone nowadays. So let's talk about the healing benefit of these beautiful peach selenite stones. So peach selenite is so good to release stagnant energy in the sacral chakra, which is located right below the belly button. And as this stone cleanses out stagnation there, it cleanses out emotions such as anger, resentment that can get stuck in the sacral chakra. Also sadness can get stuck there as well. And even feelings of shyness can get stuck in that chakra. So cleansing out all of those stagnant energies as well as worries, fears, and anxieties. Once this stone cleanses the sacral chakra, then it boosts the healing power of the sacral chakra to boost creativity, inspiration, enthusiasm, joy, and happiness, to help you to relax, to have fun, and enjoy life in a really good way. So very powerful for healing the sacral chakra. Also, if you feel kind of that life is flat or stagnant, or you feel like you are in a funk, peach selenite is such a beautiful stone to clear that energy, clearing dullness and awakening you to joy and happiness once again, helping you to feel more inspired, as it also heals depression and sadness, getting you out of that funk, helping you to feel energetic, inspired, motivated in a good way, boosting your happiness factor. For women, this is a beautiful stone to balance feminine hormones and help to reduce PMS symptoms. Also, it's an emotional balancer, so helping out to balance your moods if around the time of the month, your menstrual cycle, that if you find your moods are fluctuating a lot, going up and down, maybe you're feeling anger and irritability, maybe you're feeling sadness. Okay, this stone will help to balance that out, to even out your emotional state. And it's also good for perimenopausal symptoms and menopausal symptoms as well. So really restoring good balance there to feminine hormones. Also, what I really love about peach selenite is that it helps to heal the earth where there has been devastation from forest fires, from floods, destruction from storms of all kinds, to bring soothing and healing energy and to heal stress. So stress of people in those communities, stress on the plants, stress on the animals, stress on the earth, to bring that soothing, healing energy there, to also help the earth to heal, the people to heal, the animals to heal. And it also brings in the energy of regeneration and rejuvenation. So people can help to then rebuild towns, cities where there has been that destruction and devastation, so that new plants can grow, so that the animals and wildlife in those areas can also heal and thrive. So it's also really good to heal trauma in that way as well, to also recover from that devastation, that trauma, to also boost feelings of hope and help to heal after having hardship. So really good. I like to work with the peach selenite in crystal healing grids to send healing to the earth in these places where there's been destruction and devastation from storms and things like that. So you could choose to make a really beautiful crystal grid working with the peach selenite. Also, what I really love about this stone is it helps you to find creative solutions to problems, to help you to better your circumstances. So if you have a problem that you need to solve of any kind, peach selenite will also open up your creative mind, your creative insight, to think about solutions that you might not have thought of, right? So it helps to open up your creative mind to help solve problems and challenges in a good way, to move things forward in a good way so that you can produce a successful outcome. So really beautiful for that. Now, peach selenite also helps to cleanse negative beliefs that you might have about yourself, to release those negative beliefs, to also boost self-esteem, to boost confidence in yourself, to strengthen your identity, giving you a big boost of energy there so that you can be confident, creative, and original. So for instance, if you look at other people and you're like, oh, I wish I could be like that. Oh, I wish I was like them. Oh, I wish I could look like that person or have what they have. This helps you to release those energies, cleansing that from you so that you can really embrace your own inner energy, being strong and confident in yourself, being also original in yourself as well, to be you in all situations with all people instead of trying to be like someone else. Also, this stone helps you to embrace fun during social events and helps to cleanse any shyness or social anxiety that you might have so that you can engage with other people in a good way, whether that's in classes or other social events or family gathering, or maybe you get invited to an outing with friends and there's new people there that you haven't met. Being able to release shyness, being able to release social anxiety so you can relax, have fun, and enjoy and engage with people in a really good way with nice, bright, confident, and happy energy. Okay, so I will teach you one little technique, healing technique with peach selenite to get you going on this stone. Okay, so please take the selenite and close your eyes and take a nice deep breath in and exhale. And as you breathe deeply, we're going to speak a healing intention to the stone to bring about the healing effect that we would like to achieve with the stone. It makes it more powerful. So please repeat these healing words after me. Thank you, peach selenite, for cleansing me of all stagnant energy, fears, worries, anger, so that I am bright and filled with happiness and joy, to spread happiness and joy wherever I go and whatever I do. In full faith, so be it. Okay, so now take the peach selenite and just hold it in front of you, just at around your heart center is good. And as you breathe deeply, sense, see, and feel that the peach selenite is sending and flowing and radiating beautiful, vibrant, orange healing energy into your aura, cleansing you of all stress, cleansing you of any negative emotions, and filling your aura with that beautiful, bright, happy vibration. So sense, see, and feel as you breathe, all of that beautiful orange healing light is flowing from the selenite into your aura, cleansing out all negative emotions and stress. You might see them as patches of gray foggy energy in your aura. And as the light of the selenite stone touches it, those foggy patches dissolve. And your aura is shining brightly with that beautiful, bright orange energy, raising your vibration to a higher state so that you're holding bright energy, joyful energy to bring joy and happiness into all of your daily activities and your interactions with others. So just let your aura soak up even more of that beautiful, bright orange healing light from the stone. And sense, see, and feel your aura shining brightly, sparkling with healing light, sparkling with joy. And taking another nice deep breath in and exhale. Good. And then slowly opening your eyes. Okay, so after doing that technique, you can take the selenite and put it in your pocket, or if you do have jewelry, wear it as jewelry, and then go about your daily activities. And as you are also interacting with others and the activities you have going on in the day, the peach selenite will radiate that beautiful, bright, happy energy into everything that you do. All right, so I hope you have enjoyed that technique. So I would like to hear from all of you. Do you have peach selenite in your crystal collection? Yes or no? If you do, please tell me in the comments, what do you love about it? What healing energies do you really love about peach selenite? I would love to hear that too. So if you would like to go deeper into crystal healing, I do offer live and interactive online crystal healing classes. I run those on a regular basis, on a monthly basis. You can check out my class schedule and register for classes on my website, learncrystalhealing.com. I also offer private healing sessions, one-on-one healing sessions online through Zoom. So if you would like to book a private healing session with me on Zoom, you can do so on my website, my other website, christalyn.ca. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video and enjoyed this healing technique that I've shown you. And may you enjoy this beautiful day. Lots of love, light, and blessings to you. And namaste.